Hello students. So in this video I will explain exercise 4.1. Okay. So let us start the question number 1. Question number 1 says cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Okay. So what this question is actually to convert the statement into mathematical expression. And what is that expression? The expression will be linear equation in two variables. Okay. Here in the question two things are discussed. The cost of notebook as well as the cost of pen. So two things. So we have to discuss about two variables. We will write, first of all, let us have this statement. The cost of a notebook. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So how many things are here? Two. One notebook and the another one is pen. So two variables. Okay. So the solution will be, let the cost of a notebook be x, first variable. Okay. And the cost of a pen be y, the second variable. Okay. Now the cost of a pen and the cost of a notebook are having relation here. Okay. Now the relation which is given in the question we have to write down here. The cost of a notebook is what? X is, that means is equals to twice, that means 2 times, twice the cost of a pen. What is the cost of a pen we have assumed? Y. 2 times the cost of a pen. So what is our expression here? This. Okay. Understood? So now we have to change. We can change this into our standard form of linear equation in two variables. We have to shift this towards the left hand side. X minus 2y is equals to 0. Nothing is at place of constant. So plus 0 we can write. So here a is equals to 1. B is equals to minus 2. And C is equals to 0. Okay. So I hope you have understood this question. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 2 says, express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate values of a, b and c in each case. Okay. This type of question we have discussed in our examples also. Let us have few questions from here so that you can understand more. Okay. So the first question is, first part of the second question, 2x plus 3y is equals to 9.35 and the bar is on 5. Okay. So don't get scared or and confused with this bar. This is simply a number and this bar shows what it shows. The number is, the decimal expansion of the number is non-terminating and repeating. The number 5 will repeat here. Okay. So nothing is there, it's just a number, rational number. Okay. So let us have in this form. So ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So we can write here 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equals to 0. Just we have shifted this constant number to the left hand side. So now we have changed this looks like this only. So a is equals to 2 here, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to minus 9.35 bar. Okay. Now another one, second part of it, x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equals to 0. x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equals to 0. Now everything is in the left hand side. So it is already in the form ax plus by plus c. Let us have ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now a here, if nothing is in the coefficient of x, that means 1. So a is equals to 1. B. Now what about b? Y upon 5 it is. So we can write this equation as 1 into x minus 1 upon 5 into y minus 10 is equals to 0. Okay? Y upon 5, that means minus 1 upon 5 into y, no? Okay? So a is equals to 1 and b will be minus 1 upon 5 and c will be minus 10. Okay? So this how you can do the other questions, other part of these questions also. Let us have one example from the same exercise, which will deal the same exercise. Example number 2. Write each of the following as an equation in two variables. Okay. So we have to first write in this equation what is the question given, that we have to write in the linear equation in two variables and we will compare with the standard form. Okay. So the first question itself is x equals to minus 5. X equals to minus 5, that means x is the variable and this minus 5 is will be the constant, will serve the purpose of constant here. Now where is the y? Because we are studying the topic linear equation in two variables and here we are having only one variable. So what happened to the other variable? Okay. So we have to write, we have to change, or we have to assume what will be the coefficient of the another variable and accordingly we will write the equation in two variables. Okay. So first of all let us have the standard form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now this 1 into x, coefficient of x here 1, then plus y also should be here, but y is not here because the coefficient of y is 0 here. Coefficient of y is 0 and plus c. This minus 5 will be shifted to the left hand side. This minus 5 will become the plus 5. So plus 5. Now this looks similar to this general form. Now here a is 1, b is 0 and c is 5. So only these type of questions are in the exercise 4.1. In the next video we will discuss the next topic. Thank you.